Alright guys, so I am Shape-Shifting Princess, also known as Moonblood. Right now I am recording on both my channels. And this is
Knuckle-Raz,
my beautiful aunt. And today we will be trying out some Pocky.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, these are the flavors we have today. We have strawberry. We got chocolate.
Chocolate. You said it weird.
Oh my goodness. Cookies and cream. Pronunciation. And we got matcha green tea cream covered biscuit sticks. Alright.
That one doesn't really sound too good, but we'll try it.
Yeah, we will.
And I got some water just in case.
Yeah, and I got...
And a little spitter bowl.
And I got Mountain Lightning. Or whatever the
Off-brand of Mountain Dew.
Mountain Holler,
whatever. So, which one do you think we should try first?
Probably the most disgusting one.
Yeah.
So we get to the good ones.
Yeah.
So first one we're going to try, the green tea one.
I'm scared.
Now, I do like green tea at times. Especially the drink. I do like it. But,
I haven't really had green tea. Really.
So, oh, lovely colors. Look at the lovely colors.
Why does it look like poo green? Like, not poo, but, what is it called? The stuff that grows in water. Not
algae?
Seaweed. Yes.
Algae.
It's algae green.
It smells good, though.
Yeah, it does smell good.
As a normal Pocky, it has, like, the little biscuit stick, and it's covered with the green. I love how you try to focus. Like, looky. Hi! It's a stick!
Ready? Cheers. Nope.
I actually like it. It tastes pretty
You
good.
can have mine. Oh, that was disgusting.
Sassy.
Oh.
Sorry, her dog just came into frame for a second.
Yeah, my little pup right here.
Can't see.
Yeah, you can barely see her, but this is my dog, Sassy. Do you think she would like it?
Probably. I wouldn't really give it to her, though. It's human food. Probably the dumbass over there would, though.
Yeah,
But
probably.
his sensitive stomach, so.
Yeah.
So put it down.
Oh, she's begging.
No, you just stay right there, you
You
dirt.
need a cutie. You need a kitty.
Alright.
Alright.
Next one. Which one do you want to try? Chocolate, strawberry, or, okay, chocolate?
I'll open this. How do I open this? Okay.
Show them. Hey, yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate. I was
It's
trying to open it.
down below.
I'm sorry. I have my lap here. Okay.
Can't even see it on this. Your
Okay, how do you...
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, open
Bless
that.
those children who live in Africa.
I mean, I could have used my knife.
No. There we go.
One of them's sticking out of my pocket.
Okay.
And then I'm sitting on my wallet.
Again.
I mean, I love chocolate, so this one's gonna taste good. Because I think we've had these before.
We had it like 3 years ago.
Well, yeah, 3 years.
Yeah, 3 years ago. Again, you only say shit color. Hey, guess what? Shitty shit. Hey, yeah.
Mine's darker.
Because I have it next to light. Yeah. See that
No,
shit?
if you, like, do this, it'll make it focus to be darker. Shush.
Alright.
Cheers. That one so far is my favorite.
Shush. Okay.
Now to clean the palate.
Again, take a swig. It tastes like dark chocolate to me.
Mm-hmm. To me, it's like a mix between dark and milk chocolate, kind of.
You know, Asians, they know how to do their candies. Okay.
I've got some stuck in my teeth.
Oh my god. I just discovered something. I'm an idiot.
open.
Found out there's a tabby thing right here
Uh-oh.
that says open. It's like, yes, open. Next up, strawberry.
Oh, goodness.
Alright, this one ain't good, tastes bad. I love how we were like stacking it. Like, yeah, look at this, look at this. We're opening up so much shit. Are you trying to block my
No.
Stop it. I'm gonna make you eat more green.
No.
Alright, are you done?
I will give it to the dog.
Okay, this is a strawberry one.
And I really don't want like strawberries of fruits themselves or vegetables or whatever they are. Berry. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
I'm just sitting here enjoying myself. Clink. Oh yes, as you can see, it's a really nice, pretty pink color. I hate pink, but I'll eat this any day. Yeah. Yeah, better not go over dramatic and try it. Yeah. Ew, gross, disgusting, kill me. Holy shit.
Came out my nose.
Whose fault was that?
I was trying to breathe while I was taking a drink. Ah. All that burns.
Hey, guess what? Don't do that.
Shush. Okay, so our next one
Last
one is cookies and cream, cookie and cream covered biscuit sticks.
Yeah, as you can see, we all love cookies and cream in this family.
Yay! I did it.
Can you even open the bag door?
No.
Here.
Big brother texted. Cool.
A biscuit, bro.
Cheater.
It's just a biscuit part. Clink.
Clink.
Well, as you can see,
I didn't feel some of the biscuit from that other one stuck in between the, like, my nasal cavity thingy. But next to your mouth and your nose, and it's like, eh.
You know, let's just eat.
Yeah. That one's good. Okay, that one's actually my favorite.
So, not a lot of people actually do Pockies, as far as I can tell. Like, no one really eat Pocky on a normal day-to-day basis. But, as you can see, they are good. This is Knuckle Ras.
Shape-shifting princess.